Right, here we go. This is Rinsey. It's a little Cornish cove. I don't know if you can tell from the wind that it is a windy day. 60-mile-an-hour winds at the minute. And this little chap, the DJI MINI 5 Pro, came out yesterday, arrived with me today. So this is going to be its maiden flight. It's going to be testing, but I have flown Minis in stronger winds before. No one around, nice safe environment for it. Going to get some pictures of the beach there. There's a nice little house right on the perched on the cliff edge there. Rumour has it that David Bowie once was looking to buy that for his mum. David Bowie was very fond of Cornwall, from what I understand. So anyway, we're going to get this little chap in the air. Want to set it up, not flown it before, so I want to get all the frame rates right, get JPEG and RAW all set out. Didn't bring some filters. I should have brought the filters with me, or otherwise I could have done some sort of long exposure type shots, test that out. But it's going to be taxing conditions. I'm sure it's up to it. I've flown Minis in stronger winds before. So this can do 26 miles per hour. So as long as the wind speed is less than that, you're going to get it home. Like something like diving, for instance, it's always a good idea to fly it out into the wind so that you know what it's capable of doing. If you fly it with the wind behind you, and you decide to try and bring it back and you can't, it's your own fault really. So it's best to test it against the wind, see what it's going to do. And even just hover it near to you whilst you see how it reacts to the wind. So let's get it set up. We'll be off for a flight in a moment. Uh, 32 satellites. I've never seen so many for this, so I don't know if that's down to Elon. Don't know. So taking off. We're just going to fly it around here and close by before I go over the cliff to check it's behaving okay. Now, if you're a newbie to flown drying, right, if you are a newbie to drone flying, one thing you might not realise is you should always bring the drone back down in reverse. Okay, so let it come back to you backwards to the last little bit. Main reason being, you can see it buffeting with the wind. Main reason being that your control sticks will be, if you want the drone to go left, it's left on the control stick. If you have the drone facing you, it'll be reverse. So it's a bit easier doing it the way I say. So we'll spin it round, bring it down a bit. There we go, that did it perfectly that time. Okay, that's enough. Let's get this footage back into the studio and see what it looks like. Thank you for watching.